Now let's take a look at a special segment called India in News. Starting up, experts are unanimous in their belief that India's semiconductor mission is a defining step toward digital sovereignty. Now viewers, this mission will help India become self-sufficient in chips which are used in applications such as CCTV cameras, mobile networks, satellites, automobiles and every other smart device as well. In fact, 5 semiconductor fabrication units are under construction in the country currently, and among them a joint HCL Foxconn plant in Uttar Pradesh. Now it will have the capacity to process over 20,000 wafers and produce about 36 million chips per month. Now these will include display driver chips for phones, laptops, vehicles and other devices as well. In fact, once fully operational, India's projects are expected to produce over 24 billion chips per year according to experts. Now moving on, in a major push to make essential medicines more affordable, the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority has slashed prices of about 37 key drug formulations. This is under the provisions of Drugs Price Control Order of 2013. Now viewers, the revised prices cover a wide range of medicines, including therapeutic medicines, including antibiotics, cardiovascular, anti-diabetic, psychiatric and also pediatric drugs among being key formulations. Now in this pediatric oral suspension containing antibiotics, cefazolime and paracetamol, they've been included in the price control list. And retailers have been advised to display updated price lists at their outlets. The violations in this case will attract penalties under the Essential Commodities Act. And now moving on, in a significant boost to conservation efforts, the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh has now recorded a steady rise in its tiger population. In fact, according to the latest forest information data, the number of tigers in the reserve has gone up by 9 in the past 3 years. Remember, the reserve has about 80 large cats as of now. Now, the reserve had about 71 tigers in the year 2022 and 72 in the year 2023, and currently the count includes 25 males, 30 females and 25 cubs. Now, according to officials, the growth has been attributed to strong habitat protection measures, anti-poaching surveillance and also prey-based management in the area. Now, spanning over 730 square kilometers, this tiger reserve is a part of Terai landscape and was declared a tiger reserve in the year 2014. Now shifting focus, National Mineral Development Corporation has now reported a 42.4% rise in iron ore production in the month of July 2025. Now this production is up to about 3.9 million tons as compared to just about 2.17 million tons recorded in the same month last year. The company's iron ore sales have jumped up by 13% and this is to 3.46 million tons last month. The figure for the month of July last year stood at about just 3.6.